So if you own a Subaru of any model, doesn't really matter, you're entitled to a set of these badges of ownership from Subaru. Link to that is in the description. All I did was request the ones that I wanted. And they have several different badges, but this is how it comes to you in this little package. But they have a couple different badges here that you can choose from. And this just tells you how to put it on. And then I'll let you guys see what they look like. I just grabbed the ones that I thought were most relevant. I like to trash pick a lot. You guys have seen those videos on the channel. Thinking green, I guess. I do like to drive a bit, and I do like space. I find it interesting. So that's what I got. So what they want you to do is to cut out this little template here. I'm going to do that, but I'm also going to use a level and probably a straight edge of some kind to install it. And I'm going to install it right underneath the Outback logo. All right, so that's about where I'm going to have it. Have it about a thumb's width in between, just like it is over here. Really simple. So all we have to do is just peel the backing off and stick it on. So I have already checked it out, and I'm gonna like where it's gonna be, so I'm gonna stick it on. I did already clean this with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol earlier, so that's all you got to do. And just to get the other ones on. So each one of these has a small notch on it right there in the center. So you just line that up with that piece. So you just line this up just like that and sink it down. Well, we can take this off. That's no big deal. Just have to put the other ones on the same way. So that's good enough for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.